Oh, buy you some Prada to cover insecurities. Don't worry, little mama, I got your back, can't you see? I'm focused on commas, don't care what.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, this vlog is gonna be, well, it's really a video because I gotta take my dog to the vet, and it's currently, I think, 9:51. I gotta take my dog to the vet. His appointment at 11 o'clock. So, yeah. Oh, I done turned my game off on accident. Okay. So, yeah. Look at him. Cash. So, yeah. I gotta take my dog to the vet. And I gotta let him. Oh, it's 9:52. I gotta take him to the vet. Because of his eye. He got a cherry in his eye. So I've been up for about like a little hour or whatever. Finna brush my teeth, wash my face, and then eat me some food. Yeah, I love the vibes. And then I can't play music because if I play music, I'm gonna be copyrighted. Ugh. I need to get my tripod out the car, and I need to find what I'm doing. Okay, let me feed him first. I'm gonna get back with y'all in the room while I do what I got to do. Damn, it's cold in there. And I'm gonna hit y'all back when I get done doing all of that. Okay, so now I'm done. I just got done doing my hair. I'm gonna turn the camera the way. Yeah, I just got done. How I got done doing my hair? I only did one baby hair. What am I doing? That cat thing got my room. Get out! She gotta go. Oh, I hate cats for real. Oh, I hate cats. And she's trying to get on my clothes. I'm gonna split this up anyway. So. So yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna find my clothes. Well, I'm gonna bring my dog back to the house. I'm gonna find my clothes and get everything situated. I'm gonna hit y'all back. So y'all, just finally came from outside because my dog was tripping. So now, I'm gonna find my clothes. Finally, God, I gotta put your collar on, but I'll listen in the car. Come on, that way. You know where we're going. Oh yeah, probably gonna put on some joggers or something because who got time to try to dress and be cute? Not me. Come hit y'all back when I find me something to wear. Okay, so I got what I'm wearing. I'm wearing some jeans slides, my brown slides. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I put everything on. Alright, this is what I got on. Nothing major. So right now, I'm gonna go warm the car up. I got my food in there warming up. He know he made me mad for today. So right now, I'm going around my grandma's house so I can see if somebody can ride with me, cause yeah, just to see if somebody can ride with me. And I think I'm gonna have to just sit there and wait until my dog gets out of surgery. And I don't think nobody over here. Ain't nobody over here. And I gotta bag this thing in. I need to like hurry up because I don't got long. Well, I'm trying to go everywhere. Don't nobody want to go with me. So I have to go ahead and go. So right now I'm in the vet. And when I practice, I'm sure I'm gonna update y'all more when I get in the car. I'm back, y'all. So they what they did was they fixed his eye, and they said like if he keep getting irritated, and like they got me some stuff, and if the stuff don't work, if this don't work, get some, bring them back. So now I'm finna go to O'Reilly's so I can get my light bulbs to get put on in my car. And then I'm going back to the house. But his eye, they say his eye a little swollen. Yeah, his eye a little swollen. Let me see. To numb his eye so he won't feel the pain. And he ain't feeling it. It's okay, we finna go home. Cause you gotta make one more stop and back. And then I'll catch y'all when I'm at the house. Okay, so y'all, now I'm at my cousin's house. He finna put my light bulbs in. Yeah, my back lights. My brake lights out. So, cause y'all, I went in. O'Reilly's. Y'all went to O'Reilly's. And I'm asking the man. I'm like, can I have two back, two tail lights and a front signal light? He like, what are you doing? If you don't know, you can get out. Cause second, like he didn't know what he was doing, and I felt like he gave me the wrong stuff. Cause he acting a little slow.
You talking to yourself?
No.
Hey, no.
I got a vlog going. Yeah, this is my other cousin. He's a little crazy on the inside. When my cousin put my lights in, I'm going to drop this cousin off. And I'm going to the house. Me and my dog. Cause my dog ain't feeling well right now. Oh, and they gave me a paper to look more into the to see what the cherry eye about. Cause one thing about it, two things for sure, I don't play with my dog. Oh, and the price was $107. So I mean it wasn't too bad. I showed y'all already, but I'm gonna show y'all again. This is the first thing they gave me. Well, the first thing they gave me like this was $95. And this one is $25. Sit down. Yeah. This y'all shorts on, man. It's so cold out here. Oh my god. Them 8 hours to hurry up so I can put this eye drop in my dog. I say about him for real. My dog is literally like my best friend. That one was like, oh, I love your dog. I love your dog. He's so cute. Yeah, I got so many compliments about my dog. And he wasn't a bad dog. He was sitting down. You tell him to sit, he'll sit. And then when you hold, like, when you for them to put the eye drop in there, he was sitting still. So that's real good news. Went $107. Then just went $20. That's $127 already. Like, what am I doing? I need to stop spending money. So now I think this vlog gonna be called taking my dog to the vet. You gonna be good. I know that. One thing about it, you gonna be good. Never went to that vet. That woman said, make sure y'all bring the dog back to see me. Like, they love my dog. But they loved you in there. Let me get that off your. Come on.
Pineapple.
They was like, I love his what you got, baby? I think you got a underbite. Yeah, they were like, I love his underbite. Yeah. Y'all gotta know. Like, if you know, you know. I do not like that on my dog guy. But yeah, that's all I got. And Oh, let me show y'all. Did I show y'all my dog? I think I did, but I ain't show y'all no good, you know. Look. Yeah, he not used to. Like, you must don't talk to yourself.
Shit, all the time. I've been saying, Jay, you must don't know.
How we look?
Yeah, put in that eye.
For 5 days. Y'all think this gonna last me for 5 days?
Yeah, nah, that's too little.
You cuss. Stop. You can't be cussing in my vlog. You wanna get in the camera? I'm put you some camera time
What are you
on.
putting in the camera?
You.
Wait.
Cause you doing all that cussing. And I don't need all that cussing on vlog. They gon' let me show y'all my dog.
Yeah, she on the
Baby.
She might have put the dog.
See y'all? They had poked that, like they had poked the little cherry back in his eye, but it ended up popping back out. And he do not want me to get all that right there, cause that is so ugly. But yeah, one thing about it, my dog always front seat. So y'all, I put him in the back. I put my cousin in the back so my dog can get the front seat. One thing about it, baby. So we're on 2 back seat. Thank you. This gonna complete this vlog. So I'm gonna hit y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.